that buyer offers are usually pretty short-lived, sometimes as short as 24 hours. With the buyer offers module, you'll have a separate space where all your offers can be created, updated, and deleted as fast as the market moves, and without all the steps and intricate workflows that a transaction has. You'll be able to add and track your buyer offers that are outstanding in the market, mark offers as accepted, rejected, or withdrawn, convert accepted offers into transactions, and do it all without throwing off reporting and analytics your broker uses to track your brokerage's pipeline. Although buyer offers will be managed in a separate location from your transactions, you'll still have all the same tools like checklists, e-sign packages, and email abilities that you're used to using when working with a transaction. To get started, navigate to Buyer Offers from the left side menu where you'll see a list of all of your offers. You can filter as well as create a new custom view adjusted to your needs by clicking on the Current View link here. After you've started using the Buyer Offers module a little more, you may want to update the view to see the rejected and withdrawn offers. Click the Create New option to bring up the Create New View pop-up window. Update the view name and update the columns by moving the order, selecting the different sorting options, and adding and removing additional columns. Next, include filters for agent, closing date, date created, property type, and status if needed. For this example, I'll include status, and from the option on the right, I'll mark the checkboxes for withdrawn and rejected. When clicking Save, the page will refresh, displaying the new view. Keep in mind that this view is sticky, so if you navigate to a different page, the current view will be the same when navigating back to the Buyer Offers page. To create a new offer, click the Create Offer button located in the top right-hand corner, or if you don't have any active offers currently, you'll also see the Create Offer button in the middle of your page. A pop-up window will display where you will need to fill in the required fields for address, city, state, zip, price, and financing. If you'd like to add any additional fields, you can do that here as well. If you're an admin using this feature and you need to add additional fields to this list, you can do this by navigating to Fields from the left-hand menu, selecting the Buyer Offers field option, and then clicking on the Add Field button. Enter the name of the field and select the type of field it should be, along with if this field should be required or not. Once saved, it'll display under the Additional Fields section when creating new offers. In Step 2, you'll be required to add contacts for the buyer and the buyer's agent fields before being able to proceed with the offer creation. Optionally, you can include the seller, listing agent, loan officer, and a number of additional contacts manually if needed by clicking Add Contact. When you're ready, click Create to finish the new buyer offer where the status will be set as active by default. You can also create a new offer from an MLS by clicking Create Offer from the Buyer Offers page and then selecting the Search MLS option from the list. You'll see three main components within a buyer offer once opened: the left menu, the I Want To menu and offer details, and the activity feed. You'll also be able to come back to this page anytime there's an update to the offer so you can be sure to track all important details, data, and documents. Similar to a transaction, the left menu displays general offer info with the address, buyer name, status, and edit button. There's also a back button here that allows you to navigate back to the offers page. The Edit button allows you to edit the offer address, price, financing, and additional field details entered when you created the offer. You can also edit or add contacts associated with this offer. This might be helpful if the owner of the offer needs to be changed. You can do this from the Open Contacts window, select the three dots next to the contact that needs to be updated, and then you'll want to select Make Offer Owner. Click I Want To add comments, send emails, upload documents, and create e-sign packages directly within the offer so all important details and communication stay in one place. By using these tools such as document upload and e-sign directly in the offer, you can ensure all data and documentation will carry over to the transaction once the offer is accepted. If a buyer offer checklist template has been created by an admin from the checklists page, you'll be able to see and add it when creating a new buyer offer or editing the existing one. Having a checklist added is a great way to make sure that important tasks are always accomplished. If you're an admin and would like to learn more about checklists, navigate to our help article titled Checklist Templates. From the I Want To menu, you'll also be able to mark offers as accepted, mark it as rejected, or if it needs to be withdrawn by selecting the appropriate status. The activity feed displays a list view of all actions made to the offer with the most recent action shown at the top. Once the offer is accepted, a pop-up window will display, and when clicking the Start Transaction button, you'll be able to follow your company's typical workflow in Brokerment to create a pending transaction with all data pulled, including copied documents, located in the Unsorted folder. From here, you'll be able to finish managing the closing process, unifying your workflow from offer to close transaction. If you have any additional questions regarding the Buyer Offers module, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@brokerment.com. Thanks so much, everyone!